see one about every 2 years or so. For a long time, people had no idea why the moon would seem to disappear during a lunar eclipse. In fact, if you didn't know that the moon was going to come back, you might really worry that it was actually disappearing and leaving us forever. But eventually, we were able to figure out that as the sun shines on the Earth casts a shadow outwards into space. It's really just like how we cast shadows here on the ground. A lunar eclipse happens when the moon passes through the shadow of the Earth. That's why the moon seems to disappear. In fact, you can notice that the shape of the shadow is curved, just like the Earth. Think about it, the Earth is round. Once the moon moves out of our shadow, the full moon reappears again. But I've saved the best part of a lunar eclipse for last. I haven't mentioned the strangest thing of all about a lunar eclipse. Not only does the full moon seem to start disappearing as it goes into the Earth's shadow, but watch what happens as the moon gets into the very center part of the Earth's shadow. There, you see that? Now you'd think that in the center of the Earth's shadow, the moon would look totally black, but it doesn't. It turns reddish orange. Isn't that weird? Some people say it's the color of blood. For this reason, people sometimes call a lunar eclipse a blood moon. Now, why does it do this? It's a great question. To be honest with you, the answer is a little complicated. I'm working on a video to explain it. When I finish it, I'll post it to mysterydoug.com. From having watched a lot of lunar eclipses since I was a kid, I've learned that no two lunar eclipses are exactly alike. Sometimes it looks orangey red like this, but sometimes it looks really deep red like this, and other times more brownish orange. For me, that's part of the thrill of watching a lunar eclipse. You never know exactly what color it's going to be until you watch it happen. And you'll have